Okay, here we have a very nice GT road bike, kind of old. And most everything is good, except it has this crack here for the seat post, so you cannot clamp the seat post, so we're going to fix it now. Oh! Now you can see what was cracked. You see this? This was a big hole there. You could not develop any clamping force with this. Now you see why we are doing this repair. Yeah, this is going to be like a new bike. We're going to give life to the bike that would actually no longer have been very useful. Yeah. Yeah. You could do this much faster with a grinder. But the grinder is a little bit difficult to control. This is why I like the file. It takes a little bit of time, but you can control it. Yeah. We're basically done. I mean, looks okay. It's an old bike anyway. I mean, it was gonna go in the trash can, so I think it's gonna work. So yeah, now we have this clamp. We just see how the clamp is gonna fit. Oh yeah, the clamp fits right on there. This is gonna hold the seat good. Really good. Better than when it was new. You don't have to worry about it now. It's kind of ugly, but I think it's gonna work. Yeah.